Next in Python, we are going to do list. So a list can store numbers, strings and mixed data. To create a list, here I am taking a variable whose name is item. Items equals to, now square bracket, within double quotes we can give list items. First item is milk, within double quotes, comma. Second item here I am giving here is bread, comma. And third item here I am giving is apple. So these are three list items. Now if we want to print this milk, so this milk is at index number 0. So print within normal bracket, name of our list is items and it is at index position 0. So this thing is going to print us milk. If we want to print bread, so here we have to change the index number from 0 to 1. Save it and run it. So here we can see that it has printed milk and bread. We have printed index position 0 and index position 1. Now if we want to add one new item in this list, right now we have 3 items, milk, bread and apple. If we want to add one more item, so for that there is append function. For that we have to do items dot append. And here what we want to append, I want to append mangoes. Save it and if we print this list, print, and to print list items we have to print items because item is the name of our list. Save it. Now it is going to print all the list items, milk, bread, apple and mangoes. So here we can see that it has appended one new item at the end of the list. Milk is at index position 0, bread at 1, apple is at 2 and mangoes at index position 3. We want to remove some item. For that we have remove method. We have to do items dot remove. And which item we have to remove? I am removing bread. Save it and again we have to print our list. Save it and run it again. So here we can see that it has removed bread from our list. Milk, apple and mangoes are there, bread is removed. Now if we want to change list item, like instead of milk I want to print guava. So what we have to do, name of our list is items, square bracket and at index position 0 I want to change. So here we'll give a value. Now again we'll print our list. So at index position 0 it is going to add guava. Save it and run it. Guava, apple and mangoes. Now we want to loop through this list. For that again we'll go for loop. For, here I am taking one variable n. Name of our list is items. For n in items colon, then print n. So it is going to print all the items in our list. So it has printed guava, apple and mangoes.